There was something about the way you spoke, the language you used, the fact that you weren't promising me the earth, you were just speaking to me like a human being. And
so we had a whole team in place, didn't we, to sort of assist you? And
yes, and the very skilled team that the difference they made to my quality of life, and ultimately to have been able to attain the levels that I've currently got.
Because they were in a position just to be able to give you a lot more assistance than the NHS could under the circumstances. So
Yes.
I think your recovery has been as good as it has been because of Ben and the team that was in place.
Yes.
For the rehab.
Definitely. Each person was a specialist in their field. And I was a person, I wasn't the next patient.
Mm-hmm. I think when we first got involved, one of the first things we identified with you was the issue of living downstairs, which is why we arranged for the stair lift to be put in. And then also we redid the bathroom as well, didn't we? So that was all fully disabled access, so you could actually get the wheelchair in there and start using the bathroom and using the house a bit more as well. That was one of the main issues, wasn't there?
Yes.
We had a housing expert, didn't we, have a look at this as part of the case, and I think that was quite useful, so you could see what other properties there were out there that would be better for you, and that was quite useful, I think, for an exercise, so they could give you properties such as this that obviously were much better for you.
Yes, yes. So it's not only the physical, it's the mental that you're taking care of, and the living environment.
Yeah.
And
because we were concerned that we didn't want Sharon to become almost, for want of a better word, your employee. You wanted to go back to a husband-wife relationship and give her some respite as well.
she'd had to reduce her hours, and if it wasn't for that extra help, then she'd have had to reduce her hours even more. Mm-hmm. And that's what it's about. It's about having the resources there to do what needs to be done.
Mm-hmm. And thankfully, I think from the settlement we managed to achieve, you should have those resources now to.
Yes, yes.
For the future.
As I've said many times before, thank you.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
But you're always there to reassure me, to explain why things were happening, and having a guide through this hellish process, paramount